Hey everybody, last time in my other vlog I said I'd do another Nerf video with a different gun on a different target. So yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to have this for our target today. Hope you enjoy. Right, so fast go in 3, 2, 1. So please subscribe because I only have 1 subscriber. My friends have like... Right, so second go in 3, 2, 1. Yes! I thought I hit it for a moment and I didn't fall down. It fell down. Second go in, fast go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, so we start. Fast go in 3, 2, 1. Second go in 3, 2, 1. So we have our fast go in 3, 2, 1. Fast go in 3, 2, 1. Second go in 3, 2, 1. Third go in 3, 2, 1. This is going to look classic if it falls down. So, fast go in 3, 2, 1. Second go in 3, 2, 1. Do this last one. If I can't, I'm going to have to end this video. Third go in 3, 2, 1. So sorry I didn't hit that. I hopefully do it in the next video. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.